I'm going to make the unicorn headband for my doll Lori, and for that I'm going to use 3 roses. Here I show how I made one of them. I made a skinner blend with a light rose in a dark purple. I rolled it out thin, but not too thin for making the roses. Here I'm making the headband itself, and I'm putting it onto a mold that I have to give it a more rounded shape. Then I rolled out a piece of green clay, and I make a few leaves of this to decorate with the roses. I'm using bacon bond to connect these parts together. Then I have this cone from a Pygmy Pop, and I thought it looks a lot like a unicorn horn. So I cut off the lower part of this to get rid of those holes that is in there, and I'm scratching off the numbers and so on the horn really careful. I cut off 2 ears, the insides of the ears in some nice white fabric, and now I'm just cutting out 2 more ears of this fluffy material that I made the suit of. Put it good side to good side and sew it together. Sew around the outer ear, but not at the bottom, because then you can turn your ear inside out afterwards. Sew the other ear just like this one. I forgot to make holes in this piece before I baked it, so I'm just doing that carefully with my knife. Be careful that you don't cut yourself. I'm using hot glue to glue on the horn and the ears onto this headband that we made earlier so that it looks really nice. Please be careful that you do not burn yourself. Then I measured out a string of elastic for the head of my girl, and I'm just placing that into the 2 holes and gluing it down with some hot glue. Be careful that you don't burn your fingers on this, and I'm really sorry that I'm off screen right here. Then I took some glitter and I took some glaze, and I'm just putting these 2 things together and on the horn. You don't need to do this step, but I wanted to make it a bit more glittery. That's all there is to this little craft. I hope you liked it, and I'm going to show you a few pictures with Lori in her suit as it turned out. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!